Welcome back, everyone. How many people do you know right now feeling a bit under the weather? It seems to be almost everybody. Well, Dr. Khanum is a pediatrician with Pediatric Pod Concierge Pediatrics. Joins us this morning to talk about how colds could or could not be affected by cold weather. Welcome. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
It sure seems like more people are sick during the winter time. Is that the case?
Yes, that is actually, because I think just because the weather's changing, it's sort of dry, the air outside, we're more inside trying to stay warm, and so yes, definitely the numbers go up, and then you've had the holidays, people were all together and families, and so for sure.
If we go out and about and maybe we're not bundled up just right, if we do stay cold for a consistent period of time, can that actually lower our immune system and put us at higher risk of getting a cold or the flu?
So anything that lowers your immune system can, but being out in the cold as such doesn't. But it's really just the weather outside. When it gets dry, you have more viruses around, so you're more prone to picking up the viral infections. And then if you don't go outside and you're inside staying warm and bundling up, then you're more likely to get it because you're around more people. So I think those are the two big things that sort of increase the risk of getting any kind of virus.
What are you seeing with your young patients right now? Are you seeing COVID, flu, colds, all the above?
Yes, we are. So we're seeing a rise in influenza. We've seen that over the last couple of weeks. It's steadily been increasing. We've seen some COVID, and then just the upper respiratory, other influenza, other viral infections that we're also seeing with the kiddos. So we are seeing a lot of different viral infections, but most of the things are really, it usually happens after the holidays because everybody's been together, huddling together, the kids have been home, and then they go back to school and they get exposed to another child who may be sick, and then you've got this rise.
What's your best advice to anybody not feeling well and under the weather right now?
Oh my goodness, yes. So please stay home. If your kiddos are sick, stay home. Keep them nice and hydrated, keep their air passages nice and clean. If you're worried about the influenza within that first 48 hours, definitely reach out to your pediatrician. Like patients at our concierge practice can get in the same day and we get them tested, and if you are flu positive, then there's antiviral infection, antiviral medications that you can give to these kiddos that tend to make the infection shorter, make them feel better a little sooner. And of course, if you've not had the flu vaccine, to go and get that flu vaccine because it is helping.
Still time to do that.
Yes,
all right, Dr. Khanum, thanks for coming in this morning and getting out in the cold weather for us. Be careful out there.
Thank you very much for having me.
We'll be right back.